I'm ready to pop out back into summer, y'all.
This is the life, 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 this is.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kenbella, and I'm back on another video. And if you are new to this channel, what's up? I'm Kenbella. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam. So y'all, in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a room tour. So I have a new room set up and I'm in a new space. This is gonna be an up-to-date version, and my room is really cute. It's very cozy. It's definitely a vibe for me. So I'm gonna show y'all around and show y'all what I got going on. So stay tuned for the video, and I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the room tour. So when you first walk into my room, you have the vanity. So this is my makeup area. You see my lip gloss. Well, I have my lipsticks, foundation, all that stuff. I got a mirror, beauty blender, brushes. Hey y'all, it's me. So this is a cute setup. I love this mirror, y'all. It's the Burn Book mirror. I love this mirror so much. It's super cute. So yeah, this is my like little vanity setup, and I got it all clean for y'all today. I normally don't have it clean. And inside the drawers is I have makeup just everywhere, girl. Just everything. So there's a whole bunch of stuff going on in here. So don't mind that. But I got a lot of more makeup. I got a lot more makeup. It's just everywhere. So once you move on from the vanity. Oh, and this stuff, this little bin just got my hair supplies and stuff. I got a bunch of hair stuff. So then you come right here, and I don't know. I made this like an accessory cart. I don't even know what to call it. So you got my perfumes and smell goods right here. You know what I'm saying? You got that Valentino, baby. Period on play. It's about to be out. Do I need some more? Oh, not everything's falling. Excuse you. Oh, you got this Burberry body. Don't play Burberry body. This one smells really good as well. So yeah, I love my smell goods. Every day when I get ready, I be putting my smell goods on. I have to at least put like 2 to 3 cents on. Get that combination right, y'all. So these are like my favorite sunglasses. Like I got these from Depop, y'all. Like these are purple. Don't play with these. Don't play purple. These are so super cute. So Y2K. I'm ready for the sun because it's about to be giving some looks. Okay. Oh, y'all. I'm all over the place. Anyways. So, and these are some other sunglasses. I haven't debated if I want to keep these or not. I might sell these, but these are just the rest of what I have. This, I have a jewelry in my jewelry box, but this is new. So yeah, I'm actually thinking about doing a Juicy Couture haul, but yeah, so I got me some stuff from Juicy Couture, and I got that. And then this also has like business stuff and just like miscellaneous stuff, so y'all ain't gotta really, you know what I'm saying? Like this got that, just all types of stuff, y'all. Like all types of stuff. All types of stuff. I need to clean this out, but anyways, it's my miscellaneous cart, okay? So next, you're going to be moving on. Now we're in the mirrors. So this is where I put my mirror in, and I always look in this mirror every day so I can get ready. Next, I have my calendar. So it's March, and I just got some stuff on here that I need to do. I haven't even finished filling out. Y'all know I got my digital planner on my website, so if you haven't went and copped that, y'all need to go ahead and get that. I'm gonna put everything in the description box so y'all can go ahead and get y'all's. But you must stay organized. Every month you gotta make sure you have all your goals and your tasks planned out so you know what you need to accomplish. Some people be in this world every day, don't know what to wake up and do, and it's not always about just, you know what I'm saying, what to do. It's like showing up as that person you want to be. So I know I want to be a busy woman that got a lot of stuff going on, so I always make sure I got stuff going on, and when I do have stuff going on, I plan it out and write it out. So yeah, that's my little stuff. And I actually made this planner myself. I don't use it that much, but it's because I got the whiteboard. But I still want to use it. So then next is my nightstand, y'all. My nightstand got my water, my phone. I love my heater and my fan because I definitely get hot and cold throughout the night. I don't know what that's about. I got my charging station, Alexa, this cute pink sparkly like jewelry box.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Oh, girl, ain't nobody talking to you. Goodbye. This is a contact lens case, y'all. But it's Hello Kitty. It's so cute. I got it from Shein. Hold on. Yeah, I got it from Shein. I don't even need this. I got one, but I didn't even see it had a mirror. This is so cute, y'all. This was on Shein. This was like only like $3. Like, period, don't play with her. And then my lamp, you know, I gotta keep my bonnet because every night we gotta wrap that head. So next we moving on to my comfy bed, y'all. So this is the bed setup. I got my purse right here. So I actually just got a new comforter, so I'm gonna change it out. But this is like my bed setup right now. I got some pink covers, and then with the leopard pink cheetah prints, whatever you call it, blankets. I got some hot pink pillows. So I like the little hot pink with the light pink. That was really cute to me, so that's what I did. Yeah, I love it so much. And if you look from this angle, it's so cute. Oh, y'all know I had to bring back the hearts, everything. Don't worry about that mirror. That mirror's so out of place. And in that empty space is where my dirty clothes go, but I didn't want to show it for the video because I was like, damn, I want to see my dirty clothes. Okay, yeah. So this is my bed. I cannot even wait to get to the closet, y'all. I think the closet is what I'm going to get into last. So over here, we have my bears. This is Biscuit and Cinnamon. Y'all, these are my faves. My man got me this. And my brothers got me this. And look at her eyes. She's so cute. So they sit over here all comfortable in their corner. Don't play with them. Y'all see my juicy bag. So yeah, like I was saying, the juicy bags. So I'm gonna show. I have 2 closet doors, but they're connected, and I'm gonna show my closet last, cause there's a lot going on, but it's cute, so I'm gonna have to explain it. So I just got a hamper with some clothes in here, and this is my shoe rack. So I don't know. I have a bunch of shoes, but I got some in the closet too. But these are the ones that's out on display. It's at random, but yeah. So I got so many cute shoes. These are like, y'all. Don't look too close, but yeah. So these are my shoes. Yeah. Like, these are so cute. I never wore these yet. I can't wait to wear these. And then I've never wore these. These are so cute. Too cute. I got these too, and I haven't worn these. These are so cute. These like house slippers. Don't play. Y'all got these kitten heels from Depop. Look at these. They're so cute. Look at these kitten heels with the fur. Don't play with her. So yeah, that's the look right there too. Y'all, my collection's really lit. Y'all just don't be in my room, okay? Y'all don't be in my room because I don't let y'all be in my room. I always have purses everywhere. I got a Juicy Couture tote right here, and I got this cute little mini purse. I don't even know what brand this is, but it's just so cute, ain't it? It's just cute, and I'm gonna wear it one day too. So then you move over here. We got the TV. Yeah, I don't even really watch TV like that in here, but you know we got it just in case. So this is the desk area. I recently just put this in my room, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this area. So it's still kind of bland, but don't play because you see my daughter right there. Hey. So yeah, this is my desk area. I come over here and work on my iPad over here. So I do my digital planning and my work, journal. I got my laptop. Yeah, and this is just stuff like I have for my business down here and work and stuff. My tote. I really want to read this book. That's why I got it up here. So I'm gonna read this book too. Yep. So this is pretty much like my whole room besides the closet. Get into the closet because we're gonna go in the closet. So yeah, you got the bed over here, then you got the nightstand. Oh yeah, the portrait's back. This is my self-portrait. Don't play. Yes, ma'am. I got this for Christmas. I love this so much. It's so pretty outside. Don't play. We got some it's some hot weather today, y'all. It's nice outside today. Everything. I love my room so much, y'all. It's a vibe. And it's way bigger than my last room I just had. So we're gonna go into the closets. Hope y'all ready. Oh, I forgot one more thing before I go in the closet, because I got some kitten heels down here, y'all. I didn't even show y'all because these didn't make it to the rack. It's no more room. But I can put them in the closet. I just haven't. So, yeah, these are cute. Y'all know I wore these before, too. I love kitten heels. Don't play. They're just like mini sandals. Like, I like heels, but I don't like too much. So, this is the first side of the closet. Ooh. So, this is the first side of the closet. There's a lot going on. But, I got purses and stuff. And the purse rack go all the way down. I'm gonna show y'all. It go all the way down. And basically I got jackets, and this is really like, this main section right here is just jackets and stuff. And then I got some stuff back here, and my closet not even all the way full, but it's almost full. I got some stuff down there. Those two bins got like underwear and socks. Y'all got so much stuff, but it's okay. I mean, I'm organized though. So, yeah, my closet is cute. Don't play with it. Let me show y'all some pieces. Let me show y'all some purses I have. So, I got this cheetah purse. Y'all, hold up. Will this be a little... I don't know. What am I gonna say? So, I had this cheetah purse. This cheetah purse is so cute. I got this purse. Let me see. I have this jean purse, but I actually have like some jean slides on the other side of the closet that go with this purse, that actually match with this purse. So I can't wait to do a look. Like, there's so many looks that I want to do. Like, I'm not gonna lie, my try on haul that I did surprisingly well. Like, I got quite a few views in a couple days, like more than what I expected. So I see that y'all really like those. So I'm gonna do more try on hauls. Like, I'm excited for that. I'm definitely excited for that. I want to do more of those. I wasn't expecting it to be like, I wasn't expecting everybody to like it. You know, I'll be shy. But yeah, so there's some purses. And then so that's really mostly it for this part of the closet. I like this side. It's like my everyday side, but this side, even though it's not all the way, it still got some gaps in it. Anyways, no matter. This side lit though. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Cause this side is lit. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this. My bed right here. So this as big as it's gonna get. Okay. Now let me open it. So this is the other side of the closet. Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe I was trying to get a thumbnail. So this is the other side of the closet, and we have stuff going on. So, I got some clothes. This is the shoe rack I was talking about. This has like a lot of my sandals since it's been fall and winter for a long time. I put a lot of my sandals up. That's why it's like boots out, but they also fit on the rack. So I'm gonna start transitioning over soon because it's March now, so we can't play. I got some purses I never worn before, like this one. Oh my God, I love this purse. This is so cute. And I got the blue one to match too. I cannot wait to have so many looks, y'all. It's so many looks. So many looks. This is my fave. This is a fave. Fave. I love this one. I wore this one before. I need to wear this one more. It's like, it's so cute. Maybe I can wear it today. You the boss, you the boss, you the boss. Oh, I'm about to wear this today. Thank y'all. Y'all just helped me pick this purse with this one. And it matches so good. So I'm wearing this purse today. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, I got this purse from Depop. This Rockaware Y2K vintage purse. Y'all, I'm gonna do a whole Depop haul too, cause I be really finding the fine things. This is so cute. I have a whole look. I have some gold kitten heels that match with this, and I was gonna do my brown dress. Y'all, eat it. I'm not ready for this. I need to wear this soon, real soon, because I feel like it go good with the hair too. You know what I'm saying right now? So I need to wear that outfit real soon. And yeah, like I said, it's a bunch of clothes, shoes, and purses. That's what we got going on. Y'all, I also got this this Juicy Couture tracksuit set from Depop, and it's so cute. It's like a terry cloth with the shoulders jacket. It's so cute. I love it so much. Y'all have so much Juicy Couture stuff. Like I should do a whole dedicated to Juicy Couture. But I can't wait to wear this. I've been waiting for the baby. I've been waiting for the spring, baby. I've been waiting for the summer spring. So I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, we got the Chanel's. The Chanel's is cute. That's what I say. I'm ready to pop out with the. Remember, I'm ready to. Oh, I done touched the bottom of these. I'm ready to pop out back in the summer, y'all. Okay, because that's what the vibes was. We was elite. Don't play. So yeah. Oh, and then I don't know if y'all really got to see up here. So yeah, that's the purses, and it go inside and it connect all the way down. So I love my closet. It's definitely way bigger than my last one, cause baby, my last one was not it. So y'all, that's pretty much it for the room tour. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like my channel, please hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what type of videos you like, so I can keep making more of them. I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye.